Hi, this is Shannon with Workamper News, and I have this week's Hey, Did You Know? I just had a conversation yesterday with an employer regarding our resume database, and so I thought this would be a great topic to talk about today. The resume builder is a benefit that's available to our diamond and platinum members, and so if you are a diamond or platinum member, please take advantage of this benefit to you. It's a super easy step-by-step resume builder. And so not only do you have something to send out when you're answering an ad, you also have the ability to have your resume show available to employers that are searching our database. As a employer gold, our employers have the benefit of searching our resume so they can actively search for work campers that are available for their area, for their season, whatever they might be looking for. So I just wanted to show you how to do that to make sure that your resume is working for you 24/7. Let's switch over to our website and let me show you what this looks like. This is the home page of the resume builder, and right here on the first page in this box in the middle, you will see this first line that says hide my resume from employer's view. So if this box is marked, employers that are searching our database would not be able to view your resume. They would not be able to search it at all. So if you are currently available for a Workamper position, or you will be available in the next season or two, make sure that you have that unchecked so employers can view that for you. They actually could possibly, if you meet their criteria, they could actually reach out to you and offer you a job, or at least discuss that with you. So in order to have this resume builder working for you 24/7, make sure that is unchecked. This is a great benefit that's available to you as a diamond or platinum member, so go ahead and take advantage of it. Thanks again. If you have any questions for our Did You Know, or any tips you'd like us to talk about, feel free to send an email to support@workamper.com or give us a call at the office. Thanks, and have a great day.